Take a deep breath in. Relax those shoulders.
Oh,
nice. I got a good click out of that one. Oh,
nice.
Can't get that.
We're gonna reload here.
Never retire.
It's Saturday, just finished adjusting this morning, and a lot of people have asked me after a busy week, Doc, do you get your spine checked and adjusted? And I said, of course. Here's my chiropractor. So I'm going to take you through that, and Dr. Aaron's going to adjust me right now, and then I'm going to give him some payback and adjust him too. All right, let's go.
Face down, please. Oh yeah. You were working hard this week, buddy.
Oh yeah.
That L3 is about a mile off to the right. Who did this to you? Which patient was it?
That little tiny 100-pound lady.
It's always the 100-pound patient. It can be tough.
Yeah.
Okay, do you feel more on the right side or the left side?
On the right side.
Got it. Can you keep this leg straight, lift it up as high as you can? Okay, got it. Let's do the other side. Did that feel, which side felt better, left side or right side?
Left side was better.
And when I say better, did it feel more restricted or on the right side, or did it feel weaker on the right side?
So it felt restricted and weaker on the right side.
Got it. Okay, so we know that L3 on L4 is the culprit. And we know it's affecting this right side, both in restriction, weakness, and in pain on those 2 orthopedic tests we did. All right side.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. All right, sir. So let me have you lie on this left side. You're gonna face me. Now I just want to get a gentle stretch. Take some of that rotation out on that L3. 4, 3. Just a gentle.
Oh yeah.
And then let's have a seat. Go ahead and sit up where you're at. Okay, so we're gonna get the majority of the correction all the way down to that L3 on this anterior dorsal. And actually, I'm gonna have you scooch down this way all the way to the end. We'll be able to get more extension on this one. Interlace your fingers here. Relax your shoulders. You're gonna roll out that L3.
Oh, baby.
There you go.
Thanks.
All right, great job. Get all the moving pieces going here. Go ahead and line your back. Hold up there. Awesome.
Sweet.
Good. Getting even the tough ones today, huh?
Oh man.
Take a couple deep breaths. I want to open up all this fascia through this hip right here.
Felt that one to my hands.
That's where I was aiming. I felt that go all the way up. Did it get up here, or did it stay local in here?
It went right into here. That's great.
Bend your knees right here. Pull your stomach in really tight and squeeze your knees together. All right, so this guy has been 6'2", ever since I've known him, and we're not gonna let that change anytime soon. Tip your head there. Good. Take a deep breath in. Relax those shoulders.
Oh,
Nice. I got a good click out of that one.
ooh, you
Yeah.
bet. Sweet.
All right, take one more deep breath, or however many you need. And when you're ready, I'm gonna have you go face down again. I just wanna see how that L3 is holding. There, let me just feel this. Okay. Now I'll tell you what I feel, but what do you feel, better, same, or worse?
Much better.
Okay. I don't feel it at all.
Yeah, that's just like. feels
Okay.
great.
Take this straight leg, lift it up as high as you can. Okay. All right, show off, lift up the other side there. All right.
Wow.
I think we flipped the switch on that one.
So I think that is the power's on. Okay. All right, let's check you. You guys busy this week?
It was so long ago. That was because you worked this morning.
Okay.
I checked out since Friday morning. So
Okay. All right.
let me think back. Yeah, we were really busy this week. So
Okay.
clear me out, please.
All right. So let's check you.
Yeah.
Okay. Just take a deep breath and just good. Draw the belly button in a little bit.
Oh yeah.
Good. Excellent. Okay, turn your head to the left.
Whoa.
Good. Face down, that's perfect. Gonna clear that out for the shoulders and
I've
neck.
been waiting for that all week.
There's a little bit of kyphotic area from bending over those patients. We have to free that up. So let's have you sit up.
Oh man, that neck one was awesome.
Right here. And interlace behind your neck. And right there.
Oh.
Excellent. And lie your back. So we're gonna scoot down here a little bit. So, smile to the camera. There you go. Excellent. That moved perfectly. Okay, so we're going to slide down a little bit. So we're going to do a lift on here and just get that skull, an occipital lift. This is a crane combat lift.
You can't get this anywhere. This is.
Nice.
Can't get that.
We're going to reload here.
Never retire.
Perfect. That's good. Much better tone here.
Anything.
Excellent. So let's go face down.
I like Jello.
Good. Much better. Much better tone. It's like a light switch. Very good. All right. Power's on.
Ready for next week.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Great.
Okay. So it's Saturday, the end of the work.
Okay, go. Come on. Just
Okay,
go.
I'm not going to get into it that
That's
much.
okay. No, it's cute.
Okay. Got it?
Yep.